Back in the day, they were our childhood heroes, but saving the world, fighting monsters, and making every episode unforgettable. But fast forward to today, and things look very different. Some of these Power Rangers became huge stars. Some completely disappeared from the spotlight, and others went through shocking transformations you won't believe. From the legendary Red Rangers to the fan favorite Pink and Blue Rangers, we're about to take a look at how they've changed over the years. Trust me, number one will leave you speechless. So, here are 10 popular Power Rangers then versus now.